Hello. I wanted to just vent on something real quick. Who the hell is this Amanda Bynes? She's a very lost, disturbed girl. And I heard the other day she posted on her Instagram that President Barack Obama and Michelle Obama are ugly. But who the hell cares? She's a hot mess. Like, who would care if she called me ugly or laid down the street? This girl is truly disturbed, and the more press she gets, the more fuel you put on the fire. Ignore her ass and talk about real issues that are going on. She needs to crawl up under a little rock and get her stuff together because she is a hot mess. Amanda Bynes, if you hear this, take that ratchet ass wig off, them ugly glasses. You got too much money to be looking a hot mess. Give that shit to me and I'll show you how to really dress. You are a hot mess. And who the hell cares who you call ugly because you look like the bottom of my feet before I got a pedicure. So, please, America, stop giving this girl amp to talk about people. Deuces.